Read the following statements carefully, correct the wrong ones, and write them down. Due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are not energetic. Wrong. Due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are industrious, energetic, and enthusiastic. The prairie region is called the wheat basket of the world. Right. The trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. Wrong. The trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. Therefore, there is a low rate of transpiration. The camel is an important animal of the hot desert region as it can survive without water and is useful for transport. Right. Carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in large numbers in the equatorial regions. Wrong. Carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in large numbers in the grassland regions. Give geographical reasons. People in monsoon region are mainly engaged in agriculture. The monsoon region is located in tropical and subtropical belt between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south parallels, which receives almost perpendicular rays of the sun for most part of the year. The summer's temperature are hot with between 27 degree and 32 degree Celsius, and the winters are mild with temperatures between 15 degree to 24 degree Celsius. This region receives rainfall during specific season from the southwest monsoon winds, and the rainfall varies between 250 to 2500 millimeters. Thus, as the climatic conditions are such that they favor growth of variety of crops. Thus, people in the monsoon region are engaged in agriculture. Trees in equatorial forests grow tall. The equatorial forests are found in regions between 5 degree north and 5 degree south of the equator. This region receives perpendicular rays of the sun throughout the year. The climate of the equatorial region is hot and it receives rainfall throughout the year. Annual rainfall in this region is between 2500 and 3000 millimeters. Hence, dense evergreen forests are found here. Due to dense vegetation, sunlight does not reach the ground and the trees compete for sunlight. Thus, trees in equatorial forests grow tall. Vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. Tundra region is located between 65 degree north to 90 degree north parallels, due to which the climate here is very cold. Mean summer temperature of tundra region is 10 degrees Celsius. Mean winter temperature is approximately -20 to -30 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall is 25 to 300 millimeters. Very cold climate of winter does not support growth of vegetation, but short grass, small shrubs, flowers, lichen, moss, etc. grow during short summer period here. Thus, vegetation is short-lived in the tundra region. Answer the following questions. What is the latitudinal extent of the taiga region? The latitudinal extent of the taiga region is approximately between 55 degree north and 65 degree south parallels. Name any 3 herbivorous animals from the Sudan region. What has nature endowed them with for self-protection? Names of herbivorous animals from the Sudan region are giraffe, zebra and kangaroo. Nature has endowed herbivorous animals with speedy legs. Carnivorous animals attack on herbivorous animals for hunting. At such times, speedy legs of herbivorous animals enable them to run away and protect themselves from carnivorous animals. What are the characteristics of the monsoon region? The summer temperature is between 27 degree and 32 degree Celsius, and the winter temperature is 15 degree to 24 degree Celsius. Rainfall varies between 250 to 2500 millimeters. This region gets rain in specific seasons from the southwest monsoon. Rainfall here is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are found in this region. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. Large number of small hamlets are found. There is considerable difference in the diet and costumes of the people in the monsoon region. Population here is mostly engaged in primary occupation. Show the following items on the outline world map. British Columbia. British Columbia is located in Canada in the continent of North America. Colorado Desert. Colorado Desert is located in the North American continent. Greenland. Greenland is located in the continent of Antarctica. Downs Grassland. Downs Grassland is located in the continent of Australia. Mediterranean region. Mediterranean region is located in the continent of Africa, South America, South Europe and South Australia. Students can practice this world map by referring to this world map answers without looking.